Think you need a sprawling garden to enjoy beautiful, long-lasting flowers? Think again. Whether you've got a small balcony, a sunny patio, or just a few pots lying around, these 15 perennials will turn your containers into a blooming paradise season after season. And the best part? They come back year after year with minimal fuss. Let's dive into the 15 best perennials to grow in containers. 1. Heuchera, coral bells, is a top choice for container gardening thanks to its stunning foliage, wide color range, and adaptability. Unlike many perennials that bloom briefly, Heuchera provides year-round interest with leaves in vibrant shades of burgundy, lime green, silver, and even variegated tones. It thrives in both sun and partial shade, making it versatile for different spots on patios or balconies. Compact and low maintenance, it pairs beautifully with other plants or stands out on its own as a bold centerpiece. Plus, its delicate flower spikes in late spring attract pollinators, adding extra charm to any container display. 2. Lavender is an excellent perennial for container gardening because it brings beauty, fragrance, and functionality all in one compact plant. Its silvery green foliage and purple flower spikes create a striking visual contrast, while its signature scent adds a soothing, aromatic touch to patios and balconies. Lavender thrives in full sun and well-drained soil, conditions that are easy to control in a pot, especially in regions with wet winters. Growing it in containers also helps manage its size and prevents it from becoming woody or overgrown. Bonus, it repels pests, attracts pollinators like bees and butterflies, and even provides cut flowers or dried bundles for your home. 3. Salvia is a fantastic perennial for containers thanks to its vibrant blooms, long flowering season, and low-maintenance nature. With bold spikes of purple, blue, red, or pink flowers, Salvia adds height and drama to any pot display while attracting pollinators like bees, butterflies, and even hummingbirds. It thrives in full sun and well-drained soil, both of which are easy to provide in containers, and it's drought-tolerant once established, perfect for busy or beginner gardeners. Compact varieties stay neat in pots, and deadheading spent blooms encourages even more flowers. Salvia's mix of beauty, resilience, and pollinator appeal makes it a standout in any container garden. 4. Hosta is an ideal perennial for container gardening, especially in shady spots where other plants struggle. Known for its lush, layered foliage in shades of green, blue, gold, and variegated patterns, Hosta adds instant texture and elegance to pots and patios. Containers help protect it from common garden pests like slugs and snails, and make it easier to control soil moisture and drainage. Hostas are also incredibly low maintenance and come in a wide range of sizes, from compact varieties perfect for small pots to large ones that create a dramatic focal point. With its graceful leaves and occasional summer blooms, Hosta brings calm, cooling beauty to any shaded container garden. 5. Sedum, stonecrop, is a perfect perennial for container gardening due to its striking appearance, drought tolerance, and ease of care. With its fleshy, succulent-like leaves and vibrant flower clusters in late summer and fall, Sedum adds bold texture and color to pots with minimal effort. It thrives in full sun and poor, well-drained soil, conditions that containers can easily provide, making it especially suitable for hot, dry patios or balconies. Sedum's compact growth habit keeps it tidy in pots, and its resistance to pests and disease means less maintenance for you. Whether you choose upright varieties for structure or trailing types to spill over the edges, Sedum delivers reliable beauty year after year. 6. Daylilies are an excellent choice for container gardening because they combine bold beauty with incredible resilience. Known for their vibrant, trumpet-shaped blooms in a rainbow of colors, daylilies add a splash of cheer to any patio or balcony. Each flower lasts just one day, but the plant produces so many buds that the blooming display continues for weeks. They thrive in full sun, tolerate a variety of soil conditions, and are remarkably drought-tolerant once established. Perfect traits for container life. Compact or dwarf varieties fit especially well in pots, and dividing them every few years keeps them healthy and blooming. Tough, colorful, and low maintenance, Daylilies are a container gardener's dream. 7. Astilbe is a wonderful perennial for containers, especially in shaded or partially shaded areas. Its feathery, plume-like flowers, spikes in shades of pink, red, white, or purple, bring a soft, romantic texture to any pot display. Astilbe thrives in consistently moist, rich soil, something that's easy to manage in a container with regular watering. Its lush, fern-like foliage adds beauty even when it's not in bloom, and compact varieties are ideal for smaller spaces. Perfect for brightening up shady patios or balconies, Astilbe offers graceful elegance and dependable blooms throughout late spring and summer. 8. Dianthus is a fantastic perennial for container gardening thanks to its compact size, vibrant colors, and delightful fragrance. With blooms in shades of pink, red, white, and bicolor patterns, Dianthus adds cheerful charm to pots, window boxes, or balcony planters. Many varieties are evergreen or semi-evergreen, offering year-round interest. It thrives in full sun and well-drained soil, conditions that are easy to control in containers, and rewards you with repeat blooms when deadheaded regularly. Plus, its spicy, clove-like scent attracts pollinators while deterring pests. Low maintenance and eye-catching, Dianthus is a perfect choice for bright, sunny container gardens. 9. Echinacea, coneflower, is a standout perennial for containers due to its bold blooms, tough nature, and pollinator-friendly appeal. Its large, daisy-like flowers, often in shades of purple, pink, orange, or white, add vibrant, upright color to pots throughout summer and into fall. Echinacea thrives in full sun and tolerates heat, drought, and poor soil once established, making it ideal for container life. Its strong stems hold up well in wind and rain, and the flowers attract bees, butterflies, and birds, especially goldfinches who love the seed heads. With its combination of beauty, durability, and ecological value, Echinacea is a must-have for any container garden. 10. Gaillardia, blanket flower, is a fantastic perennial for container gardening, prized for its fiery, sun-drenched blooms and rugged resilience. With bold, daisy-like flowers in vibrant shades of red, orange, and yellow, Gaillardia adds a burst of warm color that lasts from early summer into fall. It thrives in full sun and well-drained soil, tolerates heat and drought with ease, and actually performs better in lean soil, making it perfectly suited for container life. Compact varieties stay neat and upright in pots, and the flowers attract butterflies while resisting deer and rabbits. Low maintenance, eye-catching, and long blooming, Gaillardia brings a wildflower charm to any sunny patio or balcony. 11. Campanula, bellflower, is a charming perennial that thrives in containers, offering a burst of delicate, bell-shaped blooms in shades of blue, purple, pink, or white. Its compact growth habit makes it perfect for pots, where it can spill gracefully over the edges or form a colorful mat of flowers. Campanula performs well in full sun to partial shade and prefers well-drained soil, conditions that are easy to control in containers. It blooms for an extended period, from late spring into summer, and many varieties rebloom with a light trim. Low maintenance, pollinator-friendly, and endlessly pretty, Campanula adds a soft, romantic touch to any patio or balcony garden. 12. Coreopsis is an ideal perennial for containers thanks to its sunny disposition, long blooming season, and easy care nature. With its bright, daisy-like flowers in shades of yellow, gold, red, or bicolor, Coreopsis brings nonstop cheer to patios, balconies, and decks from early summer well into fall. It thrives in full sun and tolerates heat, drought, and poor soil, making it a perfect match for container conditions. Compact and mounding varieties stay neat and tidy in pots, while regular deadheading keeps the blooms coming. Plus, it's a favorite of pollinators like bees and butterflies. If you're looking for a vibrant, low-maintenance perennial that delivers season-long color, Coreopsis is a top pick. 13. Japanese forest grass, Heuchera, is an exceptional perennial for containers, especially in shaded or partially shaded spaces where other grasses struggle. Its graceful, arching blades in shades of green, gold, or variegated tones bring elegant movement and texture to pots, creating a soft, cascading effect. Heuchera thrives in moist, well-drained soil and stays neatly mounded, making it a perfect companion to flowering perennials or as a standalone statement plant. Its slow-growing, non-invasive nature makes it easy to manage in containers, and its color often intensifies in cooler temperatures, adding seasonal interest. Refined, low-maintenance, and visually soothing, this ornamental grass elevates any shady container garden. 14. Bleeding Heart is a romantic, shade-loving perennial that's perfect for container gardens in cooler, sheltered spots. Its graceful, arching stems drip with heart-shaped pink or white flowers in spring, creating a soft, woodland look in pots. It prefers rich, moist, well-drained soil and partial to full shade, conditions that are easy to maintain in containers. The delicate foliage adds texture even after flowering, and when paired with ferns or hostas, it creates a beautiful contrast. Bleeding Heart is a stunning choice for adding elegance and seasonal drama to your shaded container garden. 15. Russian Sage is a bold, sun-loving perennial that thrives in containers and brings a striking, airy presence to any outdoor space. With tall, silvery stems and clouds of lavender blue flowers that bloom from midsummer through fall, it creates a soft, wispy texture that pairs beautifully with more compact plants. Russian Sage is heat and drought tolerant, needs minimal care, and deters deer and pests, making it a rugged yet graceful choice for pots. Its long blooming season and low maintenance needs make it a favorite for adding height, color, and movement to container displays. There you have it, 15 stunning low maintenance perennials that'll thrive in containers and come back year after year. Whether you've got sun, shade, or a mix of both, there's something on this list for every gardener. Which one are you most excited to try? Drop it in the comments and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a bloom. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 25 perennials that bloom all summer long with stunning flowers. Until next time, keep growing and keep glowing.